Hello and welcome back everyone. Today I want to share with you guys a rather unique glass cleaner. It's the NanoSkin Crystal Clear. No VOCs, no IP, no ammonia, no alcohol. There's no streaking, no smearing. What is included are polishing agents in this formula. So you can use it on much more than just glass. No matter what you use it on, you're going to get a polished, very clean, streak and smear-free surface. You can use it on painted surfaces, porcelain in your bathrooms, stainless steel, chrome, plastics, any hard surface really where you want to get a nice shine, clean surface. I'm going to demonstrate this for you today. NanoSkin products are always very good and easy on your wallet or pocketbook. However, they do have some really crazy, drastic dilution ratios sometimes. This one here claims 40 to 1 is the recommended usage for the Crystal Clear. I haven't found that very effective, so I've been playing with it for quite some time and I came up with a ratio that you could actually use on any of those surfaces that I mentioned. And if you cut it 10 to 1 in a 32-ounce spray bottle, you're going to be in good shape, and this is a really good product. Let's take a look. So I need to add, as of this moment, right now, Amazon has it for $4.91 for 16 ounces. You can get a gallon for $25.49, and you can get 5 gallons for $86.80. The Crystal Clear is highly concentrated, and if you can get that 40 to 1 ratio, which it recommends, to work well for you in your environment, this 16-ounce bottle will go a long, long way, and you're going to get a great deal. For any glass on your automobile, if you team it up with the magic eraser, the method I like to use, your windows are going to come out crystal clear. They're going to come out clean very quickly. And especially if you're tackling the front windshield in the summertime when you have all the bugs and splatter from just about everything stuck up on there, this product, and if you team it up with a magic eraser like I mentioned, you're going to breeze through the glass. With the surfactants and the polishing agents combined in this solution, you are actually cleaning and polishing the surface crystal clear. I'm trying to give you guys as many angles using the light as I can, showing you how it cleans quickly. It wipes off just as quick. It flashes after a wipe or two, and you're left with a smear-free and streak-free area. It's safe on glass, ceramics, stainless steel, acrylics, painted surfaces, plastics. And in no time at all, you have the exterior windshield crystal clear, glossy, polished, ready to go. Now we can take care of the inside, and these are the areas that really get to me, especially with the fogging, the hazing. If you have a smoker, or if it's a newer vehicle where chemicals from the dash are evaporating and making a film on the front window, well, use this stuff. Spray it onto a magic eraser. It'll get rid of that a layer of that crap real quick. It's going to leave behind a nice polished surface. And with this side done, I'm going to have an idea of what a crystal clear view will be from the driver's side. I just have to hop over and take care of the passenger side. Okay, we're quickly moving on. Finish with the glass. You can take care of your painted surfaces next if you want to. That includes anything with clear-coated surfaces. Just spray on and polish off. Go around the whole vehicle, get your headlights, taillights, plastic trim, and then hop over to the chrome. Alright, to spare you the agony of watching me clean the whole wheel, I just did a small section. Came out nice, clean, clear. This part's dirty right here, and we're all finished crystal clear here. Does a great job on chrome plated plastic trim. Stainless steel. Done with the automobile, but I'm not putting it away yet. I have the bathrooms to clean. Works great on porcelain. All the chrome, polished aluminum, stainless steel in bathrooms, hot tubs. You can get your toilet. You can get any railing. You'll really be pleased with the results you get when you team it up with the Magic Eraser, using it on dirty sinks like this, ceramics, tubs, hot tubs. Don't forget all your mirrors. Don't forget the windows inside and out in your home, in your shop. Countertops, formica, granite, marble. The key thing to remember when trying to get perfect glass or mirrors is when that window towel starts to get a little dirty, get rid of it, bring a fresh one in, and you're in good shape. Okay guys, again, that was the NanoSkin Crystal Clear. Now this stuff for under $5 for a 16-ounce bottle is versatile and can be used in a lot of places, has a lot of uses, and it's very effective at the 10-to-1 ratio that I have found experimenting with it. You can actually get a gallon of this stuff for 25 bucks and change. So I'll have a link down below where you can find the product. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.